Are you ready to grow out your mustache? Let's go. What's going on, you guys? Scott Barnes here, back at it again. And in this video, we're just gonna do it short, simple, and sweet. I'm hoping this is gonna be a 2 to 3 minute video, but we're gonna do a progression of a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month, and then a 2-month solid. We'll have a great looking mustache for you, for your friends, and a great, positive, confident person that you will be with that bushel of hair on your lip. First 2 weeks of mustache growth, we might be in the 3rd week, but right now we're doing really good. The side of the mustache is growing out just a little bit. So if you guys are in that first couple weeks, we gotta go through the awkward stage, which I am in right now. You've got some hairs going everywhere. Just stick with it. If you want, you can definitely put in some mustache wax to lay it down, but for right now, just bite the upper lip, go along, give it another 2 weeks, and that's when we can start doing some diligence. So first week right now, like I talked about, just keep that upper lip clean for the first 2 to 3 weeks. And then in the next one, or the next couple weeks, then we can start styling out. All right, let's head over. Ready? 2, 1. All right, we are in the 2nd or 3rd month, depending on where you're at. I know the last video that I just popped through, it was in about my first 3 weeks to the month. And I just shot a video for how to train the mustache and how to get it ready to go. And if you're in this time, this is the pivotal point that you don't want to cut. But this video that I posted that you guys should see here about a month ago, I'll put up the link to it, is that this is the time that you want to focus on training your mustache. Because like I said, we just went through that awkward phase, but as the mustache is growing out from that top into the middle, we're actually being able to start to blend the mustache in, and things are actually gonna be looking a lot better. And when you're actually putting in some product, you're going to have a better look and outcome with this growth session. And I know it's very debilitating to think that, hey, it's not growing out, it's not growing fast enough. This is where you just gotta hunker down, know that there's an end game to this. It's gonna be a great look, and we all gotta strive through it. And this is actually a good mental thing for you guys to think about too. When you're, wanting to achieve something in life, if you want to do something in life, you really got to put your heart, mind, and soul into it. And it's just like with the beard, right? There's going to be some times where it's like, man, I just want to shave it and trim it off. But you have to figure out like, hey, this is what I want, this is what I want to do, and I've got to achieve it. And so this round, I'm growing the mustache out. We're doing the Van Dyke, the painter's goatee, whatever you want to call it. And this is one of my favorite looks that I like, other than the beard. The full beard's great, but the summer's coming up. So we're gonna keep that on hold just for a little bit longer, and then maybe in July, August, when it's beard start growing season again, we'll go hit that up. But in the meantime, you guys, just some positive, action for you if you're at that time of, where you're wanting to cut or trim or shave off your mustache completely. Just stop, hold the scissors, hold the trimmers, give yourself at least 3 more weeks to 1 more month, and that's where we're at, okay? Like I said, just give it some mustache wax, put some stuff in there, give yourself some motivation. Like I said in the other video, give yourself someone that you're looking for a goal to, or what you want to look like, and you'll be surprised how close you'll get to it. So let's look to the next month, and I think we should be there. If not, we'll do 2 more, but with that one, let's head it over. And that's it. After a month of 2 months of mustache growth, we have made it. And what's crazy is it actually comes faster than you might think. And the reason why I say this, because there was a point where I was trimming up my top portion of my mustache to make everything nice and even. And then the last week, as I was looking back into the film, I was surprised how fast that awkward stage went to that full grown mustache, and that's where I'm at. And you really can tell is when you put in just a little bit of product, and I'll just put in just a little bit here on the sides. And it's crazy how fast this time has elapsed. If you're having a little bit of struggles, just come back to this video, give yourself a little motivation. But like I said, I was looking back, it really only took about a month to 2 months full growth, and that's where I'm at. Right now, there's this portion right here where I could let it grow for another month or 2, but I'm at this stage right now where, man, the food, the water, I'm just drinking coffee this morning and it gets in the mustache. And that's what's gonna happen with this journey. You gotta battle the elements, you gotta battle the food. It's part of the mustache growth. But what I have found and what I like is to always have yourself some tools, and if that's not only the mustache wax or put thing to the side, you can also use a comb, and I'll actually grip the top of the mustache, bring it to the side, and that helps train it, because right here is where I'm getting that walrus effect as this is kind of growing in. So every once in a while, I'll just pull it with my barrel brush, push it to the side, give myself just a nice pinch off a little bit here on the sides with the handlebar, and we're good to go. So hopefully this gives you some motivation, some inspiration for you guys to grow out that epic mustache that you've always wanted to achieve, and you'd be surprised with what you're able to accomplish just with a little bit of effort and some tenacity. So that being said, I'm going to, in the next video, cut up my beard a little bit. We're gonna do that Van Dyke look, and then we're just gonna go ahead and shave it off, because I'm done, it's over, we're calling it a day. And it's part of the fun that we get to do with our facial hair. So, you know, girls get to dye and style and do all the curls and whatnot. Men get to grow out their facial hair. Yeah, some men get to grow out their hair long. That's, you know, ponytail and whatnot, but that's not my jive. It's all about the facial game. So that being said, you guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Check out the new channel. And with that, I love you guys, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya.